Hi there! Today I'd like to discuss how to disable emailing collaborators in Docs editors using xFanatical SafeDoc. Allowing users to email collaborators directly from Google Docs editors can lead to unnecessary distractions, unmonitored communication, and unauthorized sharing of sensitive information. That's where xFanatical SafeDoc comes for the rescue. SafeDoc helps schools disable the email collaborators feature across Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drawings, ensuring that communication occurs through approved channels. This reduces distractions, protects privacy, and promotes more focused and secure collaboration. Getting started is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for SafeDoc, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, simply enable the Block Email Collaborators policy and set its value to True to easily remove the Emailing Collaborators option in Docs editors. Apply for a 14-day free trial and experience the full capabilities of SafeDoc. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.